Hello, I am back again with another process video. This is take 2 for this voiceover because I realized that I hadn't sped the video up. Then you would have been watching me for 25 minutes make a layout. I believe this layout was made using a recent Hip Kit club. I don't know which one it was. I think it was the September kit though. It was definitely recent. Sorry, I'm just taking a sip of coffee because my throat is a little bit raspy today. So today I'm going to be scrapbooking pictures of my older dog, Alfie. We have two dogs. We have a 16-month-old golden retriever. Well, he'll be 17 months when this video goes up. And we have an 8-year-old Alfie. He's a mix. So we just call him the Alfie breed because he is an American Eskimo Pug Newfoundland mix. So he's quite the mix. I have no idea what I was doing. I was probably watching something. But yeah, I need to get something to put under my coffee mug because it's making a noise when I pick it up. And I assume that that's not very nice to listen to in the recording, so I will do better for next time. So like I said, I'm using a Hip Kit club. I think this is the September kit. It's the one that had all the Maggie Holmes Marigold collection in it. Is that what it was called? Marigold? I'm pretty sure it's called Marigold. I really like that collection. And I gotta say, I'm not a huge fan of the Maggie Holmes collections. They're really not my favorite style of scrapbooking paper, but I really like this particular collection. So I decided to ink everything with black ink because I'm using that black, the hearts that are black in the paper. And I'm going to use some cut apart tags and labels from the cut apart sheet in this collection. I think I was watching something by the Historic Royal Palaces of Hampton Court Palace and Hampton. It's outside London, but it's closest to London. But I think that's what I was watching while I was doing this. So I apologize. Also, coming soon, I just got a new light for down here. So coming soon, my videos will be brighter, I think. Maybe in a few layouts for you guys. But for me, I've already started filming with it. Yeah. So this picture of my dog, the one very naughty thing that he does is he steals socks. He does it because he wants attention. Every time he'll steal a sock and then he'll run away with it because he wants attention. And so he stole a sock and ran all the way to the basement. You can see my paper racks in that one picture. And then my husband picked him up and he still had the sock in his hand. Well, apparently I was texting my husband at the same time as this. I don't know what we were talking about, but I promise you it was nothing overly important. So, that's what my little Alfie does. That is Alfie. He is a little 30-pound mixed breed and he's super cute. And I have no idea where I've gone. I don't know what I was doing. It's possible I was scolding a dog. Or taking an annoying dog toy away. That happens frequently. So here I am looking through, I think these are stitched ephemera pieces. Like, yeah, there's stitching on, you can see on that tag there where the stitching is across where the flowers go. I'm not a huge fan of Pink Fresh Studio. They're not my favorite paper company. I do like their embellishments though. I'm just really not a fan of their papers. There's very few papers that they have brought out that I really like. That being said, I do really enjoy their embellishments. I often will buy their embellishment packages. I'm just inking my pieces off my layout because if you've ever used an ink applicator with foam on it, the little foam pieces start to fall off after a while. And then when you swipe them off your page, it tends to smear ink on your paper. So I've just tried to get into the habit of inking off, like from, like not right over top of my layout. So sometimes I'll do it off to the side or over my lap or something like that. Because I have just so many layouts with streaks on them because of that. Oh, I'm sorry. I had to yawn. So this layout, I don't think it's super, I don't think I used a lot of embellishing or anything on this layout. I think I left it fairly plain, although I have to be honest, I don't remember, and I could have pulled it out. It's right over in front of me. So this layout's going to be entitled Smile Thief, because he is a thief. He is a sock thief. I really wanted to put sock thief, but I couldn't find letter stickers that I really liked that went with this, and so I just decided to make it Smile Thief. Oh, can I just say, I love those chipboard circle pieces from Pink Fresh Studios. I hope they bring them out with every collection they make, because I love them so very much. They are amazing. They're not really thick chipboard either. They're a fairly thin chipboard. But I've got to say, I like it. It's nice for a chipboard. A lot of like the crepe paper chipboard in particular is very, very thick. And I usually end up peeling it apart because it's too thick. And then I've seen other people that put foam underneath it because they want even more dimension. It just makes me laugh because it's so different than the way that I feel about it. Those letters are also from Pink Fresh Studio. They came in the Hip Kit. Everything I used came in the kit, I believe. Or in one of the kits that I received. I get 3. I get the cardstock kit, the embellishment add-on kit. Oh, sorry, I get 4. The color kit and then the main kit. So I do get 4. The only one that I don't get are the stamp one and the extra pattern paper, because I mean, really, I don't need more extra pattern paper. If I need more paper to add into my kit, I have racks of pattern paper that I can go to. So that's the least of my worries for this. I just wanted to bring some more of that bright blue up to the top. And then I think that's going to be all for this layout. I'm trying to remember if I come back with some, yeah, I do, with some mist. And then that's everything. Just thank you for watching. Bye.